This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Citation Sprinter 24ST is a Class C RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Citation Sprinter 24ST is built on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.